Welcome back to sunny T, South Dakota. I'm blending in with this awesome 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. It's a brand new chassis, the brand new Northstar E conversion, and we're going to tell you how that works. And we love the Northstar E, and the reason being is it's a virtually maintenance-free conversion. It's all manual, but they've made it so it's super easy to operate. I'm going to show you that in a second. Just open the door, and out comes a ramp. To put it back in, what I always suggest is you just pick it up, walk it back in, and it's got its holder right there. But I'm going to take it back out because I want you to see the inside. 30-inch wide ramp is on here, 54-inch clearance to get inside. So you have 54 inches to get inside, and then of course you pick up another 5 inches or so of headroom. 11-inch cut is what is in this, so they cut the flooring down 11 inches. And of course with this, the passenger seat comes out. I'm going to show you that real quick. Super easy. If it takes me 20 seconds, it'll take you 10. That's how handy I am. Pull up on the string, the wheels activate, and that's all there is to it. Down the ramp you go. Store it in the garage or bring it in the house, and then all of a sudden you have a new recliner and you're a hero. But now your loved one or whoever you want can come sit up front with you, and they buckle the same way. We put in a seatbelt extender. You also have the choice in this van to add a mid-row jump seat if you would like, because there's no motor underneath there. So now we can add a mid-row jump seat and get more seating in here. And of course, backup camera, CD player, satellite radio, your rear air and heat. You got digital dashboard, your steering wheel controls. So very nicely equipped on this Northstar E. And this conversion is popular for schools, nursing homes, or anybody that has a caretaker with them at all times to bring out that super easy ramp, which again, just pull in. Golly, I make it look easy. That's because it's easy. Thanks for watching. IMEDmobility.com online, or call me directly, 605-498-1612. I'm going to go get some more of this sun. Thanks for watching.